Mom, yes? Tell brother to stop drinking my sodas. Son.
Mom, but she doesn't even buy them. You do.
Yeah, she buys them for both of us, which means we need to split it equal. But you always end up drinking my half too.
Well, drink faster.
Mom, come on, son. Share with your sister. Later that day. Ha, I ordered this lock for my soda. He'll never be able to drink it. I'm a genius. Later that night. Hey, brother, guess what? I put a lock on the last soda we had.
Oh, you talking about this one? Thanks for putting it in the fridge for me.
Oh, great heavens!
Brother!